Good morning to all my YouTube and Galaxy friends. Hope you all had a wonderful night. I've got just a tad bit, it's a little bit older news, but I'm not sure how many of you actually ever saw it or knew much about it except that it existed. Don't forget to do all the usual, guys. If you like the channel and you like hearing me, yabber yabber, go hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the bell so you're notified when I put a new video out. And don't forget, guys, tonight at, I believe it's 6 o'clock, when I go live, we're going to have Miss Emma on. She is Crime Stories Obsessed, and we're going to hear her story tonight. Don't forget, be there. Okay. I just happened to be doing some research and ran across this and did not know that it goes in depth about the gag order that was put out on the case for the Wells boys. It says gag order placed on case involving Wells family children in the state custody. Okay, it says a gag order has been issued on the child, which would be Children's Protective Service case involving the sons of donaldwells and Candus Bly. The order was issued by Juvenile Court Judge Daniel Boyd on October the 26th. It reads, all parties to this action are hereby prohibited from discussing this matter or the children with the media or any other non-essential person, entity, and or uninvolved disinterred parties, I believe it's what it is, and or persons. Randall Collier, the circuit court clerk for Hawkins County, said the original order was made in conjunction with others involving case matters, which are sealed due to juveniles being involved. Collier said he was not sure when the original gag order was put down. Wells confirmed to our sister station, WJHL, back in July that their older sons were taken by Child Protective Services, but he wouldn't give the reason. WFXR's sister station, WJHL, reached out to the court-appointed attorneys. That means there are 2 or more attorneys, guys, involved in this. They reached out to the court-appointed attorneys for the Wells family about why a gag order was issued for a juvenile case since they are normally confidential anyways. One declined to comment, and a response from the other has not been received as of Monday. This has been a while back, guys, like in November when this came out. A request for context and clarification has also been sent to Judge Boyd. Don Wells was arrested in Hawkins County Court Monday morning on a charge of violation of probation. Wells was in court appearing on charges of driving under the influence, improper lane usage, financial responsibility, having an open container, and others. Wells was later seen by WJHL crew leaving the jail and speaking with his probation officer. He declined to comment on the arrest and release. So, guys, I guess that does tell us that they're the family, not the boys. They're not speaking of the guardian ad litem for the boys. They are speaking of Don and Candus. I guess each have their own attorney. And they were appointed by the court. Remember right here it says they reached out to the court-appointed attorneys for the Wells family about why the gag order was issued for the juvenile case since they are normally confidential anyways. And that is true. All juvenile cases are confidential, and they normally make everyone who is non-essential personnel in the court leave the courtroom before they start a case when it concerns juveniles. I had never seen that article, and I didn't know if many of you had. So I thought I would just put it out there for you guys. I did not realize that they had appointed each one of them an attorney. That's interesting. I mean, normally they appoint a guardian ad litem for the children, and as far as I know, I could be wrong, but as far as I know, you only get a court-appointed attorney if it is a criminal case. I've never, in all my years, ever heard tell of a court-appointed attorney for just a custody case or just, a CPS case. The only time I've ever known them to appoint an attorney is if it's a criminal case. And for them to appoint 2 attorneys, one for each of them, oh, they got some trouble coming. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments. Let me know. If any of you are actual attorneys in the state of Tennessee or attorneys that know the law in Tennessee, please get in contact with me or leave your opinions down below. Let me know what you think. If you guys know that they do have or do appoint attorneys in just custody cases, let me know that. But I'm just saying, I've never heard tell of that. I've only ever heard of them appointing an attorney when it's a criminal case. So they really must have some trouble coming, guys, when it comes to the boys. I'll see you tonight at 6, guys. I hope to see you there. Until next time, make sure and pray for all the kids.